hello and welcome to Eco Vibe TV. Today, we're making a marvelous natural drink perfect for warm weather. It's the Cucumber and Mint Detox drink, designed to hydrate your skin and cleanse your body. This is the perfect way to start your day. Cucumbers are over 95% water, making this drink an excellent natural moisturizer for your skin. The antioxidants in fresh mint help flush out toxins and boost your complexion. It's also fantastic for soothing indigestion and cooling the body down. Let's note down the ingredients for this refreshing drink. You'll need half a cucumber chopped into small pieces. Then, grab about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves. You'll also want 1 teaspoon of lime or lemon juice, 1 cup of water or soda, and ice cubes as needed. Step 1. Take a blender and add the chopped cucumber pieces and the mint leaves. Blend them until the mixture becomes smooth and completely liquid. Ensure everything is nicely broken down. Step 2. Now strain the mixture using a fine mesh sieve. To the strained liquid, add about 1 teaspoon of lime or lemon juice. The vitamin C in the lime juice will further help enhance your skin's radiance. For the finish, take a tall glass and add a few ice cubes. Then pour the cucumber mixture into the glass. If you prefer a fizz, you can top it up with a splash of soda or just use purified water for a simpler detox drink. And there you have it. The Cucumber Mint Detox drink, ready to bring relief and nourishment to your body and skin. Having this drink first thing in the morning will keep you feeling fresh and energized throughout the day. To watch more valuable videos like this, please subscribe to the Eco Vibe TV channel today. Like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.